Is it time to buy or sell the SQQQ ETF? In this video, we will delve deeper into the SQQQ ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 13, 2023. Now, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of November 10, 2023, our system has identified SQQQ as a sell candidate, with a score of -2.13. Now, let's examine how the stock has actually performed during this time. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our system's prediction, with a gain of 0.93%. This means that, on average, it has generated a return of 0.46% per day since it was flagged as a sell candidate. The ETF is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term, which could present a good opportunity for buyers. However, if the lower trend floor at $17.29 is broken, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and potentially a trend shift. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential 2.84% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 1.96% to 36.87%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is a projected -57% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from -88.01% to -33.92%. This means the price could range from $2.09 to $11.52 after a year. Our latest update for the SQQQ ETF reveals that on Monday, the price closed at $17.44, marking a gain of 0.93%. On the last trading day, Monday, November 13, 2023, the SQQQ ETF experienced a positive movement, with its price increasing from $17.28 to $17.44. Throughout the day, the ETF fluctuated between a low of $17.29 and a high of $17.71, representing a 2.43% difference. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 8 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of 20.84% during this period. Moreover, the volume of shares traded decreased by 50 million on the last day, with a total of 104 million shares being bought and sold, equivalent to approximately $1.82 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume accompanied by higher prices may indicate a potential divergence and serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the SQQQ ETF reached its highest price at $58.29 and its lowest price at $16.38. At present, the price stands at 70.08% below the 52-week high, amounting to a difference of $40.85. It is also 97.84% below its all-time high, which occurred on March 12, 2020, when the price reached $808.47. Let's analyze the signals for the SQQQ stock. On Friday, November 10, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point. Since then, the stock has risen by 0.93%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. It's worth noting that despite the increase in prices, the volume has actually fallen. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be seen as an early warning. It's important to closely monitor the SQQQ ETF. Additionally, some negative signals have also been identified. These signals may have an impact on the stock's short-term development. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative forecast for the SQQQ ETF, indicating sell signals. Furthermore, the long-term average is currently above the short-term average, which also generates a general sell signal. In terms of resistance levels, we can expect some obstacles at $18.12 and $19.88. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will generate buy signals. However, it's important to note that the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, currently indicates a sell signal. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals in the stock market. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence signal, which indicates a sell signal. Another signal to consider is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger signal also provides a buy signal, but it occurred 13 days ago. On the other hand, the short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 11 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 9 days ago. When we analyze the relationship between the short and long moving averages, we find a buy signal that occurred 6 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart and see what it reveals. Looking at the short moving average, we observe a sell signal that was generated 9 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average also suggests a sell signal 8 days ago. However, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 24 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for SQQQ. SQQQ has found support from accumulated volume at $17.28. This level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upwards reaction when the support is tested. However, it's important to note that this ETF can experience significant volatility throughout the day, making it a high-risk investment. Looking at the Bollinger Band, we see a wide prediction interval for this ETF. In the past day, SQQQ had a price range of $0.420 or 2.43% between its high and low points. Over the last week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 3.91%. Let's dive into potential day trading levels for SQQQ. If the market shows an upward trend, keep an eye on the first resistance level for SQQQ at $19.36. If you're not already invested, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity for swing trading. On the downside, SQQQ encounters its first support level at $17.28. If this support level holds, it could serve as a potential entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. Unfortunately, our evaluation of this ETF is negative and we have not set a stop loss. Is the SQQQ ETF a good investment? Despite the positive trend, the SQQQ ETF has several negative signals, leading us to believe that it will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, we have a negative evaluation of this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 14th, we expect the SQQQ ETF to open up at $17.48, representing an increase of $0.0400. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Also, let us know your target for the ETF. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.